Hello guys, in this video we will see what is could not authenticate here in Among Us, and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of understanding the could not authenticate error. Content the could not authenticate error in Among Us typically signifies a problem with the game. Client establishing a secure and verified connection with the Among Us game servers. This means the game is unable to confirm your identity or validate your session, preventing you from joining lobbies or playing the game. It is not usually a bug within the game application itself, but rather a communication breakdown between your device and the server, often stemming from network issues, server problems, or corrupted game data, preventing proper credential verification. Step: verify internet connection and Among Us server status. Content before attempting complex fixes. Ensure your internet connection is stable and functional. A weak intermittent or non-existent internet connection is a common culprit. For authentication failures, test other online applications or websites to confirm connectivity. Additionally, check the official Among Us social media channels like Twitter or reputable server status websites, a down detector, to see if there are widespread server outages or maintenance being performed by inner sloth, the game's developer. If the servers are down, the issue is on their end, and you will need to wait for them to resolve it. Step: restart Among Us your device and your router. Content a simple yet effective troubleshooting step is to perform a full restart of all relevant components. First, completely close and reopen the Among Us application. If the problem persists, restart the device you are playing on. Phone console. This can clear temporary system glitches or network conflicts. Finally, power cycle your internet router by unplugging it from its power source for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in and allowing it to fully reboot. This refreshes your network connection and can resolve if conflicts or temporary router issues, preventing server authentication. Step: verify game files or reinstall Among Us. Content corrupted or missing game files can sometimes interfere with the game's ability to properly authenticate with servers on platforms like Steam. You can verify the integrity of game files through the platform settings. Right-click Among Us in your library, properties, local files, verify integrity of game files or mobile users tray, clearing the game's cache and data through your device settings. If verification or cache clearing doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of Among Us is recommended. You install the game entirely, then download and install a fresh copy to ensure all game files are pristine. Step is troubleshoot network settings and usage. Content your local network configuration, including firewalls, and can block Among Us from authenticating. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not incorrectly blocking Among Us from accessing the internet. You might need to add Among Us as an exception in your security software. If you are using a virtual private network, try disabling it temporarily. Some services can route your connection through servers that Among Us might block or that have high latency, leading to authentication issues. If disabling the resolves the problem, consider using a different server or playing without the for Among Us. Rarely changing your DNS settings to public servers like Google DNS and can also help resolve obscure connectivity issues.